Right now, I'm going to show you how to use an air compressor. This is a 3-gallon, 100 PSI, one by Central Pneumatic. Now, a lot of them are the same and they have very similar controls. So first of all, we've got the on-off switch, the power switch. We've got a reset button. We've got 2 gauges here. The gauge on the left is a gauge that's going to show you how much pressure is in the tank. The gauge on the right is for your output air pressure gauge. That's what you're going to be regulating to whatever tool or attachment you are using. You got a safety release valve, air release valve here on the left that you can pull once we're finished here to let out any extra air. Also, if there's too much pressure, it will go ahead and release that way. Then we have our control or regulator knob, and this is how we actually control the output air, and we'll get to that in a second. Then on the left here, we've got our output. So we have a quick release. You just pull that sleeve back, and then you can connect whatever tool or attachment you're using. So pull the sleeve back and attach it, and you got the same thing for the other end of the hose here. And the tool we'll be using today is to fill up a tire with some air. So first of all, on getting started, what we're going to do is turn this all the way to the left. So we're turning off any pressure that would be going to the output tool. And the nice thing is that this one on the side here does have some quick directions for you to go ahead and refer back to every time. And then finally, before we do get started, I do want to show you that on the back here, we do have this drain valve. So after every use, what we're going to do is go ahead and open that up. And so any moisture that has built up possibly inside of the air compressor can be drained, and you want to do that after every single use. So first things first, again, we're going to turn this all the way to the left. We're going to turn it on. It's going to run for about 4 or 5 minutes and build up pressure here. All right, so once we have the tank pressurized, you can go ahead and control knob here to use your tool. And then at this point, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and fill up the tires. It's already full there with as much air as it needs, so I'm not actually going to do it. Now, let's go ahead and stop or shut down our machine from use here. So what you want to do is go ahead and after each use, you want to depressurize your thing there. So pull that out. It's going to let out the air there. There we go. Little tube there. And then the valve at the back here, we would go ahead and just open that. Any excess air would go ahead and come out. And then if there's any liquid or anything, that can go ahead and drain. So there you go. That is how you use an air compressor. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.